What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Yasmin. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also, don't forget to double tap that bell so you can get notified when I post new videos. Guys, we're back with another video today. Today, we're going to be doing an unboxing of this timepiece I ordered. If you watched my last Hermes journey, Hermes ready to wear video, you know that I said I bought a watch and I've been waiting for this watch to come. So let's do a little unboxing and let's see what we got. All right, guys, I hope you can hear me well. So here is my Hermes bag and my watch. We're gonna be talking about a watch. I already did the whole shebang when it came to unraveling the watch. So I'm just gonna take it out the box so you guys can see. It comes in this box. And it also has like the receipt and everything, and then, you know, the Hermes string. So let's go ahead and review this watch. I do want to give you the price for this watch. This watch was is basically the 2025. It's the Heure H watch from Hermes. The price for this was $42.30. The shipping cost was $35. So the price for the watch is $38.50. I have it in a size small. From my understanding, it's small, mini, and medium. I ordered a size small because the mini is very mini, and I don't think people realize how small Hermes watches really are. But it comes in this beautiful box. It says Hermes. And guys, you know what color I got. I have it in the color noir with gold hardware. It's so beautiful. Oh, see, it's about to fall out. It comes with, I guess, the panel and everything, like how you take care of it and everything. But it comes in this beautiful box. This is the watch I ended up getting. It does have plastic up there. Let's take this out so you guys can see. Honestly, guys, if I have to be honest, I'm thinking about exchanging it for a bigger size because honestly, it's too tight personally on my wrist. So I'm like, maybe I should get a size medium because you guys, this is a size small. The watch is so pretty. It's so unique. It's so classy. And it's such a beautiful, beautiful timepiece and an everyday wear. On the back, you can see it has like the date it changes. I haven't set my watch, but you can see like how beautiful and nice this watch really is. And I absolutely think it's such a classic. One thing I can say is it's timeless. It's classy. It's beautiful. It's small. It's small. And I don't think people realize, like, I looked at the mini and I was like, oh, honey, no, this is too small. So if I put it on, guys, you can see right here, if it focus, you can see it has Hermes right here on the front, on the handles. And it also has Hermes like on the timepiece. If it's focused, it's such a beautiful, beautiful timepiece. And everyday wear, gold hardware. It comes with a couple of holes. And one thing I love, you can change the straps. So they have different straps. They have exotic, they have regular, they have gold on gold, they have silver hardware, they have exotics. This watch I think is a very classic watch. So I have on the watch right now. To me, honestly, I think the watch is just too tight on my arm. I'm on the last loop and I'm just like, I need more room, more wiggle room. I like my watches to feel like a little bit more, you know, room, like not too tight on my wrist. Like this is a beautiful, beautiful classic watch. Well, all right, guys, I hope you all enjoyed that video. The watch is timeless. The watch is beautiful. The watch is something you can wear for everyday wear. I can say it's the same prices as Cartier, which is very interesting. So they range from like at least 3,000 to 24,000 is different watches you can get from Hermes. I know a lot of people get them customized. So you have the options to get customization. how you exactly want it, but I thought this piece was very timeless. It goes with my wardrobe. It fits my aesthetic. I am considering getting a bigger size just for me personally because I do like a lot of wiggle room on my watch. You can tell, like, if you knew it was Hermes, you can say that's an Hermes watch by the H. It's out there, it shows in your face, and you can definitely see. I feel like you want a new watch, I would definitely recommend this Hermes watch. A lot of people call it Birkin bait, but is it Birkin bait when it's timeless? You know, so some people say they buy a watch in order to get a bag, but I just like the watch just because, and I can see myself wearing it every day because I just love it. I need a black watch. I love gold hardware, so it just fits my everyday aesthetic. But if you haven't already, make sure you watch my last two videos about my Hermes journey, what I've got from Hermes so far, and everything I'm loving. Hint, hint, everything is black. So as you guys can see, I love the color black. But I hope you all enjoyed this watch review unboxing. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, guys. And I love to see you in my next video. Bye, guys. Till next time.